Welcome back. I hope you all are having a great day. I'm going to show you how I made this design super fast by using two different programs. I also have all of my designs available for purchase, and I will have them linked down below. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Custom, and I'm going to actually click here on 5,000 by 3,000 because I want more of a landscape so we can type our word. Next, I am going to add a text box, and I'm going to type Darlin, and I'm going to change my font. I'm going to use this one, Callistigo, and I'm going to make this bigger. Because we are eventually going to have an outline on this, I am going to go ahead and space these letters out just a little bit, not too much. Okay, now we're going to go to Effects, and I'm going to scroll down here, and we're going to Curve, and I'm going to adjust the curve because I don't want it quite like that or that much curve. And I think I'm liking this. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and once again I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Now that I have it just like I like it, and I'm going to go ahead and download this as a PNG. Okay, we are now going to head over to a site called ipiccy.com. This is 100% free to use. I am all about keeping things budget and user friendly. So this is a photo editor, a collage maker, and a graphic designer. So we're going to click on create a design. And I'm going to upload that image that we just created. And I'm going to go ahead and add this over here. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is add this paper. And you can make this big and stretch it to cover the whole thing, or if you don't want to do that, I'm actually going to make this smaller, and now I'm going to duplicate this. You just right click and duplicate. Okay, I'm going to go up here and we're going to highlight this one, and over here where it says normal, we're going to click on this and go down and see where it says lighten. Boom. And then the same thing here, we're going to go over here and we are going to click lighten. And there is our design for right now. Now we're going to go back to Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and export this. Or let me save it first. And then export design. I'm going to do it in the highest quality, and I'm going to download it as a PNG, and I'm going to go ahead, change the name, and save this to my computer. Okay, now I'm going to go back to Canva, and I'm going to open up another design here. Now go to upload files, and I'm going to upload this design. And now that I have it over here, the next step is I'm going to click here where it says background remover. And the next step is go over here where it says edit. We are going to scroll down to where it says shadows. And we're going to click on outline. Now I don't like this thick, and I don't like it that harsh of a color. So I'm going to take the size down just a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and move this up because I just don't want it that harsh of a color. And I think I'm liking this, so I'm going to also make another one like this with the outline in white. It depends on what color shirt, so you want to make sure that you're making two, because if you have a shirt that is a dark color, you're going to want like a white or like an ivory or off-white outline. But if you're putting this on a light shirt, then you're definitely going to want a darker outline. So I'm going to go ahead and share this. I'm going to download this as a PNG. Perfect. So now I'm going to go ahead and go into my photo editor here. I'm going to go ahead and pick one of these images that I just uploaded. I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to go ahead and click on create a design out of this image. Okay, I'm going to go to upload, and we are going to upload that design that we just made. And then now that we've got this design uploaded, I'm going to go ahead and put this over here on this image. We're going to remove this background. And then you can just play around with this until you get it just like you like it. And there we go. I'm going to go ahead and blow this up so you can see. And that's how we do that. So I'm going to show you another how we do it with the white, like what it looks like with the white. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create a custom design. I'm going to choose my 5000 by 3000. And I'm going to go ahead and upload that design again. But I want to make this background first something that has just a little bit of a light color, just so we can see it. We're not going to keep this by any means. And then I'm going to go here to uploads, and I'm going to click on this. We're going to remove the background. And now I'm going to go here to edit, and I'm going to go to shadow, outline, and I'm going to actually change this to white. And then I'm going to take the size of this down just a little. Perfect. And I'm going to go ahead and download this as a PNG. Okay, and then now let's see what this looks like on a mock-up. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my uploads, and let me see, we'll find, I think I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, I'm going to make this just a little bit bigger so we can see what we're doing here. And I'm going to go ahead and go into uploads, and now I'm going to upload the design that we just made with the white outline. And I'm going to remove the background. And I'm going to take this down a little bit. And I think I'm liking this. And that is how we do this. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.